Okay, in this lesson, we're going to be interpreting the graphs of two functions. And I like how they put them in different colors. So option A is red and option B is blue. And the question says, if Kira drives a rental car 75 miles, which option costs more? So you want to look at the label, miles, so that you're in the right spot. So where it says miles, you come over to 75 and you go straight up. Which one costs more is the one that's going to be on top. So it's the blue line, which is option B. And we're going to put that, and it says how much more does it cost? So we have to find the difference between these two. This one's $60 and this one is $45. And you subtract and get $15. So we would type in 15 there. And then the second question says, if for what number of miles driven do the point two options cost the same? So we look at cost and we're coming across, where are they the same? And it's right here. So it said for what number of miles? So we drop down to see how many miles that is. It's 150. If Kira drives more than this amount, so we're going to come up here higher, which option costs less? So as we go up, we see the option A is above option B, so that's more expensive. So the one that costs less is the one that's below, which is option B. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do some examples. Okay, so there's a whole word problem, and I'm just going to go straight to the questions. If the monthly water usage is 18 HCF, which stands for hundreds of cubic feet, which plan costs less? So I'm looking at my label, which is right here, and it says 18. So here's 18. I'm going to go straight up. It says which one cost less? So it's the one that's on the bottom. So it's the business plan. How much less? So we're going to have to subtract these two. So I got to go across. It's 36 minus 33, which is $3 less. For what amount of monthly water usage do the plans cost the same? So we're going to go down and it's going to be 12 HCF. If the monthly water usage is more than this amount, which plan costs more? So we're going to come to the right. So it's the more usage than 12. Which one costs more is the one that's above. So that's the residential plan. So I think key is looking at the labels to help you see or be able to read the table correctly. So Boris makes 200 minutes. So here's the label. We're going to come to minutes. We're at 200. Which plan costs more? So we come up. Which one is above? It's the red one. So that's plan B. And then how much more? So we got to go across, and it's the number above 16 and 16 that we're going to have to subtract. So we have to see, what are they counting by? It looks like they're counting by twos. So this is going to be 18 minus 16, which is $2. Wait a minute. Oh, it goes right here, $2. Okay, shoo. For what number of long distance minutes do the two plans cost the same? So they cost the same right here. We drop down and it's 300 minutes. If the time spent on long distance calls is less than this, so we're at 300 minutes and we're going less, okay? So we're looking towards the zero, which plan costs less? And it's going to be the blue line, which is plan A. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.